anti-theft video doorbell mount. Came with this book, this piece right here. Okay. Looks like it got some foam inside. Here's all the pieces. Insulation top is gonna be this part. Top. It says top. Instruction for bling. Okay, no. Oh, this got enough room. Top. I'm gonna turn it around. We're gonna push the front cover into the back slot. Push. Oh, okay. Got my camera. Okay. Let's clean it. So we want it to be strong, and we don't want it to move around. This way. Okay, hold on. So this foam isn't gonna work. This is like for the, we're gonna have to cut this. Let me see. This foam from my old anti-theft video doorbell mount. So I'm gonna put this in here. So the foam that it comes with is not gonna work. Just letting y'all know. I'll put a video to the other one that I used to have. Let's see if this is gonna fit. Tried my best, it's sticking out. So
but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
struggling here, but we're gonna get it to work. So I got a clip in there. Oh, is this more foam?
Look what I made for you.
Ooh.
A little heart. Look, guys.
pushing it down so it can stay in there. I like this one because the one that I used to have has screws at the top, and it did have foam, you guys, to stick inside, and to make it tighter you could have like did this and bent it and put it in there. So it did have foam, y'all. Okay. This is a lot of work, especially when you gotta charge the camera. Oh my God. This part, tighten. I feel like this is too loose. This feels, oh no. I'll have to figure it out because it's too big, but that's fine. To how the piece I thought wasn't gonna fit or whatever, but once you get it on the door, it's tight. It's not going nowhere.